Get into a car with value. 2001 Toyota Solara. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This impeccably built Camry Solara delivers comfort, quality, and style. From its upscale cabin to its impressive safety scores and reliability to its elegant lines, this midsize automobile makes every journey a delight. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, alarm, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, leather steering wheel, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Get the quality and comfort you deserve in this graceful Camry Solara. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.